Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Today I'm going to be playing with the new Spellbinders clear stamp and die set of the month. I have to say that I do so much die cutting that I really like it when I get a really nice stamp set that I can just kind of practice some of my coloring that I don't do often enough. So I'm doing what I normally do with these stamps, stamp it out with VersaFine Onyx Black, no, VersaFine Clair Nocturne, that's the right color. Okay, VersaFine Nocturne, emboss that with some clear embossing powder, and now I'm using some new to me markers. I am recently trying out the Ohuhu Honolulu with a brush tip. I've been using Spectrum Noir for 5, 6, 7 years, and I've loved them. But I have actually never tried a brush tip, and I am loving these markers, and the price point is fabulous. Anyway, I am mixing the colors because I've only got the 48. Yeah, I've only got the 48 set because I wanted to try them out before I decide to do the deep dive and get the rest of them. And they are still able to blend really well, so you can get a variety of colors in there. Just be sure to use a swatch like I'm doing so you can see what they're going to look like when they blend. So I'm using colors that you wouldn't think to use for fall leaves, like pink and purple and green, different ones like that, to help to kind of make those different shades of autumn colors. I'm going in with some reds for my little apple here, and yeah, like I said, I'm just practicing a little bit of some of the coloring that when I first started making cards, I did a lot of coloring. I did not have a die cutting machine, and I've kind of fallen away from that, so I do want to do more of it. Here I am bringing in some purple. Yeah, bringing in some purple to work on a pumpkin, and the reason I'm doing that is that when I mix it with my bright orange, the YR3, it brings out kind of a burnt orange, so it helps with some of the shading. Absolutely love this, and I really just tried that because I remember seeing on some past videos where folks were using a purple color of Copic to help with the shadows when they were doing skin tones. So I thought, well, I wonder how that would work on pumpkins. And I have to say, it works fabulously. I am going to go back in after I do all of my orange and add some more of that purple over it to deepen those colors. And that's the same thing that you would do with any of your markers when you're adding in those different shades. So adding that in does make it pop just a little bit more and gives a little bit more dimension to my pumpkins, and I'm loving them. Yeah, doing the same thing on the flowers, and I'm using some pinks, and I'm going to be bringing in some darker shades too to darken those up, because you know what, as we're into fall, things do get a little bit, they're not quite as bright and vibrant. They are a lot darker when it comes to colors of different flowers and things. So at least that's my recollection from when I used to live slightly north, which was Alabama. I am in Florida, and I have never wanted to go back. Anyway, I'm bringing in some bright green. Yeah, I'm bringing in bright green and then adding some brown over it because, again, it's kind of what happens to leaves in the fall. They do start to turn brownish, but a lot of times you'll still have some of that green showing. So that's what I'm doing with my leaves to try to give them that fallish look. And I think this is turning out pretty cool. I do like the way that my coloring did on this card. So that is going to finish it up. I just put it onto a black card base, and we're all good. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.